So I'm going to tell you one of the things that I have learned here, and I've been in this community for many, many years. I think I started my main channel back in 2013. Is that you have to stay consistent. You really do have to stay consistent. And there are some tools that you could utilize that would help you out to stay consistent. Now, there is a main tool that I use. I love this thing. It's fantastic. And I use it for YouTube. Hopefully, it's going to help you guys out. And I think the first time I heard about this, maybe it could have been from a channel named Video Creators. I think it was from then. I don't remember. I've been using it for years, and hopefully it's going to help you guys out. And it is Trello. So I'm going to share my screen right here, and I share this with you guys because, like I said, this is a tool that I just love. Now, there is many things that you could do here in Trello. I don't know all the details and all that. I know some people use it essentially for work. I know that I believe there is a paying system as well, but the one that I use is free. This is free to me. I don't pay any money, and I'm telling you, I've been using it for a really long time. So what you got here is that you got different boards. So let me just kind of show it to you guys just really quick. It may be able to help you guys. They do have an app as well that I use a lot in the phone and all that. So again, it's something that it may help you guys out. So again, Trello to me is fantastic. So again, this is kind of what you got right here, and essentially what you have is boards. And again, this is not going to be a full tutorial or anything like that. I just want to show you this in case some of you guys need some help. So again, what I usually do is that I put a bunch of different lists here in my board, essentially, right? And I do have a couple different boards back here that you can see for a couple different channels. So again, it could be something such as, I don't know, a gear video ideas, right? And you write them right here, and then you start writing your ideas as you can see right here. Now, I'm going to tell you, sometimes I misspell this or whatever, because sometimes I just have an idea and I want to write it really quickly, and I just put it there. It doesn't mean necessarily that it's going to be the title of the video or anything like that. It just meant that, hey, I had a quick idea and I wanted to share with you guys, right? And I wanted to kind of like do some research and work on this, right? So again, here I got like gear reviews, YouTube tutorials, working now, like I'm actually gonna work this, edit videos, again, video uploaded, and essentially video schedule and video posted, right? So again, this is going to be for this video here, content creator tools, a channel, or this channel, excuse me. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe. So again, let's think about this. This is going to be the video that I'm going to be doing. I'm working on this video right now, and as you can see, you can move it right now, right? So I'm going to name this video one of the best tools for a content creator, which I do believe that. Here, I could write some comments if I want to, whatever I want to talk. I want to talk about Trello, right? And again, that's kind of something in there, right? You could do all the things to put more comments. You could assign this to different people as well. I don't know much into that because I haven't done it. I like the labels myself. I like to put a label here working whenever I'm editing. I put a label for editing, right? So again, I'm working on this video right now. I could put a day and I could put different labels, like I said, and all that. So what I do is that essentially right now I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna put a day, I'm gonna release this video, let's say on the 9th, and then I'm gonna go up here. Again, I put the 9 right there. I'm gonna go up here and put a label, right? So I'm working on it. Maybe I'm recording this video and that's it. The moment that I finish recording this video, I may get this video right here and move it into the edit pal. And again, one of the things that you're gonna hear a lot of times is to kind of, record in batches, right? So right now it's one video. It doesn't make any sense. I'm working on one video. But if I record 5 or 6 videos, obviously being organized is really fantastic. So now let's pretend that I finished editing the video. I upload it to YouTube. I put it right here. I changed my little label, right, to upload it, and kind of I put it here. And then again, I'll be working on all the videos that I'm working right here on my edit essentially column, right? Once I schedule the video, just like I have this video schedules right here, you can see I have 2 video schedules that are actually coming out today. I may move it here, and once they post, I may put it in the post column. Now, one thing that I like is that if you press right here calendar, it kind of gives you a calendar of the videos that you have. And look at this. So essentially, this is a fantastic way, really fantastic way to be organized, right? Really to be organized. So again, today it's going to be the 2nd. This is the day that I'm recording this video. It's going to come out this time. I already recorded how to download a YouTube video coming out on the 6th, and I'm working on this video that is going to be on the 9th, and they're all going to be released at 12 o'clock. So again, really a fantastic way for you to be organized, really a fantastic way for you to be consistent, right? You want to be consistent. Your audience needs to know that you're going to be releasing videos, and your audience going to need to know that you are really serious about this. So if you start working on these videos, it could potentially put you in a place where you could be, 1 week, 2 week in front of your content, which is really a fantastic idea. I'm going to tell you, Trello, really cool. There is many things you could do with it. Obviously, you could create multiple different boards. I got multiple different boards for different channels. You could change the background. You could do a lot of things into it. This is not meant to be a tutorial or anything like that. It's just meant to kind of show you guys one of the tools that I use here for YouTube content creation. I also use my calendar right here because I have multiple channels, and this allows me to see what I got coming out here in my channel. So again, don't mean to talk too much about the calendar, but again, between Trello and my calendar is tools that I use that I love. And if you're a content creator, this may help you out. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one.